Hey, folks. Today, we're heading to the far north to tell you about one incredible tribe, the Inuits. They live in extreme conditions where using fire for cooking and heating is not an option. But, despite this, the Inuits have found their ways to survive, and we're going to spill their secrets. The Inuits are indigenous people of North America, residing in a place where trees and vegetation are entirely absent. When you live in such a location, using fire for cooking and heating can be very dangerous. The Inuits have found their ways to adapt to such conditions and survive. The Inuits use a variety of methods to survive where using fire is not an option. They use animals and natural resources to create cozy shelters and provide themselves with food and warmth. One of the most interesting survival methods of the Inuits is the use of fatty animals, such as seals, to create lamps. Creating lamps from fatty animals is one of the most efficient methods of lighting in conditions where fire is not an option. The Inuits use the fats of seals and other animals to create lamps. They carve blocks of fat and pierce them to insert a furwick. After that, the lamp is ready to use. Lamps made from fatty animals play an important role in the daily life of the Inuits. They are used to light their dwellings and also during hunting and fishing in the dark. Moreover, lamps made from fatty animals help the Inuits to stay connected to their culture and history, which are firmly linked with nature and life in the Arctic. Some Inuit tribes still preserve traditions and skills passed down from generation to generation and use lamps made from fatty animals, just like their ancestors did. Apart from using lamps, the Inuits have other methods of survival without fire in Arctic conditions. For instance, they use special Inuit knives that help them cut meat and fish into thin strips, which they then dry in the sun or wind. Also, they possess unique skills in hunting and fishing, using various tools and methods to catch animals and fish. Overall, Inuit tribes demonstrate incredible resourcefulness and resilience, adapting to harsh living conditions and surviving without fire. Their lamps made from fatty animals are just one example of their ingenuity and connection to their cultural heritage.